Hey, thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe on this video. I really do appreciate it. Comments. YouTube algorithm is pretty much crazy. I'm saying this on all my video, but it is. One day I have thousands of views, the next day I have 100 views. Most of my videos have more likes than they have views at this point, which is ridiculous. So my views are disappearing. But anyway, I just appreciate the input. I'm doing this for my own record keeping, my own reference material, but I really do appreciate your participation. It's encouraging. And so there we are. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Everything is run by Bitcoin, right? Trading Bitcoin's like trading the stock. Trading all the other altcoins is like trading a mutual fund, you know. So, or the S&P 500, something like that. You know, it's Bitcoin is the source, right? They always don't follow Bitcoin, but a lot of times they do. So you see, we've been trading this pattern. We basically called this bottom, called this top, and we're moving down to this pattern quite nicely. I'm still, the market can go anywhere. Market does crazy stuff. But these are just lines that we're measuring off of. This line I drew here is I'm just using it as a measurement. I do believe we're going to make another down here. I said in, I think it was the last video, that if we ended up with a really good divergence, then this would be a good trading opportunity, which is exactly what happened. We ended up with a very, very decent divergence here where we were way oversold. The price came back, stayed in above the oversold area, out in that, from outer space there in the sub-earth to a bounce. Price went lower, relative strength stayed higher. It's a very good buy right there. To be honest with you, I think anywhere along here is going to be a good buying opportunity. This is obviously consolidation right here. People are loading back up. We see buying. The market goes up, waiting for it to fall. More buying pressure. Market goes up, waiting for it to fall. I believe we're going to have one more down. I think we're going to hit our line of capitulation on our daily chart here. Although we could not, but I believe that we're going to have another down. I like to see consolidation at this point because then that means that we might not have to go down to here. This is our next line of capitulation on our higher time frame. But I've got buy orders set up here waiting. So I have them set here waiting. This is actually looking real nice. I'm glad we saw consolidation at this point, because what is going to happen is as we move through time, see, this was a lower high, or this was a higher low than this. And if you don't understand that, watch my welcome video of my YouTube channel on the front page. What this consolidation is, this horizontal retracement has allowed us to do, is move far enough through time that when we do have this next down, we're going to have an even higher low. Even if we come down to our line of capitulation, we'll either have an equal or maybe even a higher low than this one. And if like I said, watch the video if you don't understand how I calculate that. So this is looking really good to me. If we had just come straight down, then we would have made an equal low to this. We come straight down to the line. This line right here is this consolidation is very beneficial to me. Very beneficial in my eyes because, like I said, that's going to give us that time to make that higher low when we eventually do come down to the line of capitulation. So, market could just turn right here and go right up through the moon like a rocket. No one knows. These are just my calculations, right? So, again, I'm anticipating we're going to follow this line. We're going to come down. We're going to get our bounce off of our line capitulation. Going to load up on product right here. Get a little bounce. Come out of it. You'll have a little head and shoulders here. See, right there. Come up. Consolidation. Still looking at this as our pattern. Little consolidation right below our high. We could break out and have consolidation above the high. You usually have consolidation right below or right above. I prefer to have consolidation right below the high, because then what happens is you have a lot of energy. So when you break that high, then you can move much higher and move away from this high, move away from the previous high. Usually when you have consolidation above the high, um, well, I mean, sometimes you have equal move, but I just like that consolidation here with the break. Only if the break. Sometimes we get a downturn, then you have your double top. So we're going to have to. We're just watching it. We're going to watch it. You know what I'm saying? Changes daily, but this is what we're looking at right now. This is what we're moving. We're measuring our movements off of. So everything is looking good. If you're watching anything else, you need to be watching Bitcoin as well. It's just the way it is. Okay, or anything else in the crypto world, you need to be watching Bitcoin too. All right, hope your trading is going good. Y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.